Welcome to DelishDoers. Fast, flavorful, no fuss. Love smoky, street-style noodles? Today we're making an easy Char Kway Teow style noodle dish at home using simple grocery store ingredients. It's inspired by the smoky, savory flavors of Char Kway Teow, and trust me, you won't stop at just one bite. First, let's prep the noodles. We're using dry rice noodles for this easy version. Traditional Char Kway Teow uses wide, fresh noodles, but these thin rice noodles work great and are easier to find. Soak the rice noodles in room temperature water for about 60 minutes until they're soft and pliable. Once they're ready, drain them and set them aside. Next, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir well and keep it ready. This makes the cooking super fast. Now heat a wok or large pan over high heat and add a generous splash of oil. Add the shrimp and season lightly with salt and pepper. If the shrimp release too much water, pour it off so they can sear properly. Add the minced garlic and Chinese chives and stir for about 30 to 60 seconds, just until they soften. Remove everything from the pan and set it aside. In the same wok, add a little more oil. Add garlic and chili pepper, then the rice noodles. Stir for a few seconds, then add sambal olek and continue stirring. Pour in the prepared sauce and stir for about 1 minute until the noodles are evenly coated. Push everything to one side of the pan, add a little oil, crack in the eggs and scramble them. Once the eggs are just set, stir everything together. Add the bean sprouts first and stir for a few seconds. Then add the Chinese chives. Stir fry just until tender but still crisp. Finally, add the shrimp back in and give everything one last toss. Turn off the heat, and that's it. Smoky, savory, and packed with flavor. Serve it hot and enjoy. One pan, smoky flavor, and every bite is packed with goodness. Fast, flavorful, no fuss. See you next time on DelishDoers.